Want to create a stunning calendar without any design experience? Today, I'll show you how to make a beautiful, fully personalized calendar using Canva in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Canva and explore the wide variety of calendar templates. Whether you're looking for something minimal, colorful, or themed for holidays, there's a template that fits every style. Browsing through these ready-made designs saves time and gives you inspiration to kickstart your project. Next, it's time to get creative. Canva's library is packed with millions of stock photos, illustrations, icons, and other graphics. You can drag and drop these elements to match your style or the theme of your calendar. Don't be afraid to experiment with fonts, colors, and layouts. This is your chance to make it uniquely yours. Once your design looks perfect, personalize it with important dates, birthdays, or events that matter to you. This way, your calendar is not just visually appealing, but also completely functional. Finally, when your masterpiece is ready, you can publish it online, share it digitally with friends and family, or even print it for your wall or desk. Canva makes it effortless to bring your design to life in whatever format you need. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've transformed a simple template into a custom calendar that's as functional as it is beautiful.